Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from WordPress CDN plugins like Cloudflare, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from WordPress CDN plugins like Cloudflare, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Locate the CDN plugin you wish to withdraw from, such as Cloudflare. Click on the Installed Plugins option to view your active plugins. Find Cloudflare in the list and click on the Settings link under its name. In the Cloudflare settings, look for an option to disable or disconnect the service. If available, click on Disconnect or Disable. This action may prompt you to confirm your choice, so proceed accordingly. Next, head to the Cloudflare website and log in to your account. Once logged in, select the website you want to remove from the CDN. Navigate to the Overview tab in your Cloudflare dashboard. Scroll down to find the Advanced Actions section. Select the option to remove site from Cloudflare. Confirm the action when prompted. Return to your WordPress dashboard. To fully complete the withdrawal, go back to the Plugins section. Find the Cloudflare plugin again and click on Deactivate. Once deactivated, you can choose to delete the plugin if you wish. Ensure your website is functioning correctly after removing the CDN service. Check for any issues with loading times or performance. If needed, consider configuring an alternative caching or CDN option. Your WordPress site is now successfully withdrawn from the Cloudflare CDN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.